In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your website on Hostinger in just 5 minutes. It's a straightforward process that will help you get your site live and accessible to the world in no time. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to head over to the Hostinger website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in hostinger.com. This is where the magic begins. Hostinger is a great platform that offers reliable and affordable web hosting services, perfect for getting your idea online. Once the homepage loads, go ahead and look for the login button, typically found at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to enter your account details. After successfully logging in, you'll be redirected to your Hostinger dashboard. This is your main control panel where all the website and hosting management happens. Next, locate the hosting tab in the menu. It's usually situated prominently so you can easily spot it. Click on hosting to see a list of all the hosting plans or websites you're currently working with. Once you're on the hosting page, find the particular plan or website you wish to manage and you'll see a Manage button next to it. Clicking on Manage takes you into a more detailed settings page of that particular hosting account. From there, one of the main sections you should notice is called Files. This section gives you direct access to all your website files. Click on Files to proceed further into File Management options. The next thing you'll want to check out is the FTP Accounts section. FTP, which stands for File Transfer Protocol, is a standard network protocol used to transfer files. This is where you configure settings for accessing your website files using an FTP client. Speaking of FTP clients, you'll now want to use one to upload your files. A popular choice is FileZilla, which can be freely downloaded and installed. It's user-friendly and makes transferring files to your hosting account a breeze. Once FileZilla is set up on your computer, enter the necessary FTP account details from Hostinger into FileZilla. These details typically include the FTP server address, your username and password, all available from the FTP accounts section on Hostinger. With everything entered and correctly configured, connect to your FTP server and you can begin uploading your website files. Simply drag and drop your site files from your local computer into your Hostinger directory. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully uploaded your website onto Hostinger. Your site should be live shortly after, allowing people across the globe to see what you've been working on. If you encounter any issues, Hostinger support team is always on hand to assist. Thanks for watching and happy hosting.